2026, Italy stands tall among Europe's advanced military air powers, boasting a fleet of multi-role fighter jets, next-gen stealth aircraft in partnership with global allies, and a smart arsenal of air-launched precision missiles. As a key NATO member, Italy's air strategy fuses technological agility, multinational cooperation, and battlefield readiness. With upgraded Eurofighter Typhoons, American-made F-35 Lightning II jets, and its involvement in the next-generation Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, with Japan and the UK, Italy projects strength beyond its borders. This is not just about national defense, it's about shaping the future of air warfare in Europe and beyond. Today, we take a deep look into Italy's 2026 fighter jets and missiles, from stealth design to AI-powered targeting, and from explosive weaponry to combat survivability. Italy's combat aircraft fleet in 2026 showcases a blend of tradition and innovation. The Italian Air Force, known as the Aeronautica Militare, continues to fly the Eurofighter Typhoon, now heavily upgraded for extended range, agility, and electronic warfare. The jet features a signature delta wing and canard layout optimized for speed and maneuverability. Its matte gray, radar-reducing paint, and new conformal fuel tanks give it a stealthier profile while allowing it to operate further without refueling. Alongside the Typhoon, Italy operates the F-35A Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth multi-role jet capable of both air superiority and ground strike missions. The F-35's sleek, faceted body, internal weapon bays, and heat-masking engine exhaust make it nearly invisible on radar. Even more futuristic is Italy's participation in the GCAP Tempest program, co-developed with the UK and Japan. This sixth-generation fighter jet is still in prototype phase but showcases a highly angular design, drone coordination capability, and AI-assisted systems. Italy's drones, such as the Skyway and newer stealth UAVs, provide reconnaissance, jamming, and missile support roles, working as intelligent extensions of the manned jets. Inside the cockpits of Italy's fighter jets lies the beating heart of digital warfare. The Typhoon's modernized glass cockpit now includes wide-area multifunction displays, voice command systems, and integrated data links for shared situational awareness. The F-35 goes a step further. Its cockpit is nearly switchless, with information projected into the pilot's visor through a helmet-mounted display. Pilots can track multiple targets, lock missiles, receive mission updates, and scan for threats without ever looking down. The Italian Air Force has adopted AI-based threat analysis software that gives pilots real-time suggestions on tactics, evasion routes, and counterattack strategies. Each aircraft is part of a combat cloud, constantly exchanging encrypted data with other aircraft, satellites, and ground systems. Italy's cybersecure avionics ensure that no signal is intercepted and no weapon